Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today I wanted to try something new and film me meal prepping for the week. This is my first time doing this, so please bear with me and the angles I got. I'll do a lot better next time once I kind of figure out how I want to do this and how I want it to look. Typically I do this every Sunday, and I used to hate meal prepping, but recently I've grown to like eating a consistent meal every day. I'm not spending so much money eating out, and it takes the guesswork out, so I don't have to sit there and contemplate for an hour what I'm going to eat today. And yeah, so let's just get started. Today I was prepping my breakfast and my lunch. Sometimes I prep dinner, but I didn't do that today. For breakfast, I was making parfaits. I used really ripe bananas, frozen fruit, vanilla flavored Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and I had some granola to top it off. I put the granola on the side so it didn't get all soggy, since I was making these for a week, so they were going to be sitting in the fridge for a little bit. I thought about layering these initially, but I didn't because I wanted to mix chia seeds in there, and so I mixed it up with my yogurt, and that would have been a little hard to layer if I'm mixing it with the yogurt. I guess I could have layered it before putting the yogurt in, but I didn't really care enough to do it, so I just put it all in one layer. The second reason why was just because it's a mason jar, so the yogurt was getting on the rims. It just wasn't going to look clean enough for it to be a layered parfait like how you would find at the store or anything. So I was perfectly fine with it. I didn't have too much problems with it. I really did want to mix it because I've made parfaits before, and it gets stuck to one side, or it's kind of hard to mix it in, and it's just too chaotic for me. I just wanted to have it already mixed in, no problems. So to make the parfaits, I just placed the yogurt in the mason jar. I added in some chia seeds, mixed it up, and I followed that up with the chopped banana and the fruit. And I know that banana gets bitter after a few days in the fridge typically, but it actually stayed sweet this time, so I was pretty happy about that. I feel like parfaits is one of those breakfast foods that are fairly simple to make, and so I think this was just a light week, and I just wanted something quick and easy. And I think I had breakfast sandwiches the week before, so I kind of wanted something lighter too. And I haven't had parfaits in a while, so this is one of those things that I just wanted to have for that week. And it was fairly simple to me. So for lunch, I had brown rice, teriyaki chicken, and some mixed veggies that I steamed in the microwave. I find that the steamed veggies makes it so much easier to add veggies to my plate. I actually used to hate brown rice, but this year I learned how to properly make it, and now I have it for a lot of lunch meals. I made this teriyaki inspired sauce, but I'm not sure how authentic this was, especially since I didn't use measurements, but it was really good and I really liked it. I started off by searing my chicken. I then placed the seared chicken in a baking dish, and I baked the chicken with the teriyaki inspired marinade over it. Once the chicken was done baking, I added some cornstarch to the rest of the mixture, so that way the teriyaki sauce could thicken and make a teriyaki-like drizzle. I kind of ran out of sauce when I did make it thicker, so I used some of the drippings from the pan, since I had poured half of the sauce on top of it, and I figured the marinade was there anyway, and I added some cornstarch to that to make a second sauce, which is why you see two different color sauces on top of the chicken, but they tasted pretty similar. I think one just had a more chicken flavor to it than the other, but it tasted pretty similar to me. But that's why there's two different color sauces. This was a fun video to make, though kind of stressful because I couldn't figure out how to get the angles. Like you see that I'm trying to like show you my point of view, but the camera's shaky and the panel's moving. But it was still really fun, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how much better I can make those look and figuring out where I can place my camera. Let me know if you have any ideas for things I can meal prep throughout the week, because I've been doing this for a little while and it's getting a little bit redundant. There are some things that I'll just make over and over and over again. I hope you guys liked this video despite how chaotic it was. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.